Unapata wote?
Whenever we have drought, whenever we have floods, we have quite a number of families that are exposed. And through this program, we've been able to create a safety net to cushion the very vulnerable of them from these harsh realities. Once we finish with them, we will also be going to the new counties, because the Hunger Safety Net program is now being expanded from the original 4 counties of Marsabit, Turkana, Wajir, and Mandera. We will be bringing Tana River County on board, Isiolo, Samburu, and Garissa. So far, we've been supporting over 100,000 households, but now this is going to be expanded. As we speak, we've been aware of the drought situation up north, and particularly in the counties of Turkana and Marsabit. Apart from these 2 counties, we have 8 other counties that are facing and actually experiencing drought. These are the counties of Garissa, Isiolo, Kilifi, Mandera, Samburu, Tana River, Wajir, and Lamu, apart from the 2 counties that we're meeting today.
There are many problems that we are experiencing as legislators or the grassroots leaders who represent the actual people. The problem of water. Currently, our areas are likely to face very severe droughts. The schools are opening next week. Once the schools are open and there's no water, you can see the danger, because they will have food, but there's no water to cook that food. Telling the pupils to bring water to school when the communities themselves don't have that water actually will be a major hurdle.